The United Arab Emirates has taken another major step toward building an independent precision strike capability, with Edge Group revealing its locally developed Thunder guided bomb kit integrated onto the UAE Air Force's Mirage 2009 fighter. Thunder may look like a completely new weapon, but it is actually a modular conversion kit. Developed by HALCON, part of the UAE-based Edge Defense Group, it transforms conventional Mk-81 and Mk-82 general-purpose bombs into precision-guided munitions. The concept is simple but effective. Air forces already possess large stocks of conventional bombs. These weapons are relatively cheap and carry powerful warheads, but without guidance they are less accurate and often require aircraft to fly closer to the target. Thunder adds navigation electronics, control surfaces, and a guidance section, giving older bomb bodies a modern precision strike role. The smaller Thunder P-31 is based on the 250-pound Mk-81 bomb, while the larger P-32 uses the 500-pound Mk-82. By upgrading existing inventories instead of producing a complete weapon from scratch, the UAE can potentially build a larger stockpile of guided munitions at lower cost. That matters because modern air campaigns consume precision weapons quickly. Cruise missiles and advanced standoff weapons are highly capable, but they are expensive, difficult to produce, and usually reserved for heavily defended or strategically important targets. Thunder gives commanders a more economical option for attacking command posts, ammunition stores, radar sites, logistics centers, and fortified positions. At the center of the system is its guidance-augmented inertial navigation system, known as GAINS. This combines an inertial navigation unit with updates from global satellite navigation signals. Before launch, target coordinates are programmed into the weapon. After release, the bomb calculates its position and corrects its flight path using movable control surfaces. Satellite updates improve accuracy, while the inertial system continues tracking movement and direction throughout the flight. This allows Thunder to attack programmed coordinates in poor visibility and different weather conditions. The pilot does not need to see the target or guide the bomb continuously after release. Once launched, the weapon flies toward the selected impact point on its own. Satellite and inertial guidance are mainly suited to fixed targets. Buildings and radar installations remain in one location, but vehicles and other mobile targets are more difficult to engage. For these missions, Thunder can reportedly be fitted with an optional semi-active laser seeker. A laser designator carried by an aircraft, drone, or troops on the ground illuminates the target. The seeker detects the reflected laser energy and adjusts the bomb's final approach. This can improve terminal accuracy and may allow the weapon to strike moving targets, provided they remain illuminated. The combination of satellite, inertial, and optional laser guidance gives Thunder considerable flexibility. It can support planned strikes against known coordinates, while the laser-guided configuration can be used in more dynamic battlefield situations. The weapon's integration onto the Mirage 2009 is particularly significant. The Mirage 2009 was developed specifically for the United Arab Emirates and is one of the most advanced versions of Dassault Aviation's Mirage 2000 family. Although the basic design is several decades old, the UAE version received major upgrades to its radar, cockpit, mission computers, electronic warfare suite, and air-to-ground capabilities. The aircraft uses the Thales RDY-2 multimode radar and can conduct both air combat and precision strike missions. Its existing arsenal includes sophisticated imported weapons such as Mica air-to-air missiles, AASM guided bombs, and the long-range Black Shaheen cruise missile. Thunder does not replace all of these systems. Instead, it adds a lower-cost weapon to the Mirage's strike inventory. A cruise missile may still be required against a heavily defended strategic target, but against a less protected objective, using such an expensive weapon may be unnecessary. A Thunder-equipped bomb could provide sufficient accuracy and destructive power at a much lower cost. This allows the UAE Air Force to match each weapon to the mission. High-value standoff weapons can be preserved for difficult targets, while guided bombs can handle routine tactical strikes. The result is a more balanced and sustainable inventory. The public images released by Edge provide evidence that Thunder has been carried by the Mirage 2009. However, limited information has been released about the certification process, operational status, or number of weapons available. The display nevertheless suggests that integration has reached an advanced stage. Installing a new guided weapon on a combat aircraft is much more complicated than simply attaching it beneath the wing. The aircraft and bomb must communicate correctly. Mission software must allow the pilot to enter target coordinates, select guidance modes, and confirm the weapon status. Engineers must also ensure that the bomb separates safely from the aircraft at different speeds, altitudes, and flight conditions. Testing examines aerodynamics, vibration, electrical compatibility, and the weapon's behavior after release. Certification teams must confirm that the bomb will not damage the aircraft, collide with another store, or become unstable. This makes the Mirage integration important for Edge beyond the weapon itself. It demonstrates growing Emirati experience in aircraft interfaces, mission system software, flight testing, and weapon certification. Thunder follows the same broad philosophy that made the American JDAM kit so influential. JDAM transformed conventional bombs into precision weapons by adding satellite and inertial guidance. The Emirati system belongs to a similar operational category, although its exact performance, price, production scale, and combat record should not automatically be assumed to match established Western systems. The importance lies in the concept. Take an existing bomb, add a modular guidance kit, and expand the number of precision weapons available. Recent conflicts have shown that ammunition stockpiles and production capacity can be as important as the performance of an individual weapon. An Air Force may possess highly advanced aircraft, but its operational endurance will be limited if it cannot replace the munitions it uses. Domestic production gives the UAE greater control over supply, maintenance, and future upgrades. Imported weapons can be affected by export approvals, political restrictions, production delays, and international supply chain problems. Local manufacturing does not remove every foreign dependency, but it can reduce the risk and provide more freedom to modify and produce the weapon. The system may also have export potential. Many countries operate Western-compatible aircraft and already store Mk-81 or Mk-82 bombs, but cannot afford large inventories of expensive precision weapons. A modular upgrade kit could offer them a more affordable path to precision strike capability. Export success, however, will depend on proven accuracy, reliability, resistance to electronic interference, aircraft compatibility, and production capacity. Potential buyers will compare Thunder with established guidance kits already available on the international market. They will also examine whether the system can be easily integrated onto their existing aircraft without requiring expensive modifications. Ultimately, Thunder is important not because guided bomb conversion kits are a new idea, but because of what the program represents for the United Arab Emirates. It shows the country moving from being mainly an importer of advanced weapons toward becoming a designer, integrator, and potential exporter of precision-guided munitions. For the Mirage 2009, Thunder adds an affordable and flexible strike option to an already capable aircraft. For the UAE Air Force, it could increase the number of guided weapons available during sustained operations and reduce the need to use expensive missiles against every target. And for Edge and HALCON, the integration demonstrates that an Emirati-developed weapon can be adapted to a sophisticated frontline combat aircraft. Thunder is therefore more than a guided bomb kit. It is part of a broader strategy based on military self-reliance, industrial growth, and the ability to sustain precision air operations without depending entirely on the most expensive imported weapons.